What is up, y'all? Welcome back, welcome back, welcome back. I appreciate you for watching this. Thank you so much. We are in the GTR today, if y'all couldn't see. We are heading to a car meet. It's a little bit late, 7 p.m. The sun's already down, it's already getting cold. It's a season closer, so I might as well go. I'm honestly sad because I had to put this car away anyways in the next week or so. I'm not gonna be driving it in the winter, that's for sure. All right, let's go. Now, I'm gonna be a little bit biased here because I love loud cars and I love loud exhausts. So if a loud exhaust isn't your thing, don't get this one, because when you step on it, it's loud. It screams. I've only had this car for about a year, and this is the only exhaust I've ever had on it. Versus my STI, I had 5 different setups. I had nameless, I had stock, R400, Q300, Tomei. So I went through a lot of exhausts with that car, and I realized that I wanted something louder. Yeah, this exhaust I think is perfect for this car because when you're cruising around, it's honestly not too loud. Like, I can have a conversation listening to my music with someone in my car. It's perfect for that. And then when you step on it, I wish I could do it now, it just screams. You get that iconic GTR sound, you know? It's just so good. I'm so happy I went with this exhaust. Now, there's a lot of other options out there. There's the SBD. I really wanted Boost Logic, but my God, it was like 7 G's just for an exhaust. Like, yeah, the GTR tax is real. Don't get me wrong. Does a loud exhaust get you girls? No. It gets all the dudes in the world. The person who takes a picture of this car is a guy. The person who waves at me is a guy. Did I get an exhaust for the guys? No, I got it for myself. But I get people asking me to rev it all the time, and honestly, it's not worth it because I'm not gonna neutral drop it and rev it out. And then the no drone. Okay, no, that's a lie. There's drone. No matter what exhaust you get other than stock, there will be drone. Don't get that twisted. If you do any exhaust on any car, you will get drone. It's anything that I've learned. Drone will happen as soon as you switch out anything. And the drone in this, it really depends on person to person. Yeah, so no matter what, you will get drone in any exhaust. And that's subjective to the person who's driving the car or whoever's sitting next to you in the car. Because some people can tolerate so much drone, some people can't tolerate any drone. And you know, the thing I find about exhaust videos on YouTube, you can't determine how is it going to sound on your car. A YouTube video will never do it justice, you know what I mean? The best way to hear an exhaust is go to a car meet, find someone with their car, and listen to their exhaust. And just see. Because that's the only way you'll ever get a real, true, you know, exhaust sound. In real life, that's it. You can't, no matter how good your headphones are, the mic needs to be good. But even then, I still feel like you gotta really hear that exhaust in person. Traffic, of course there's traffic. Alright, well, I ain't gonna bore you guys with traffic. I can't really do anything, so you know. Alright, so we're at the car meet. I hope you guys can hear this. It's so loud. But we have the GTR parked up there. Oh my god, it's hectic here, guys. It is crazy. Oh, doggy. This is getting rowdy. And of course, there's another GTR here. It's a dark blue. It has a 326 power wing, which is really cool. Looks like a Tome exhaust. Woo, not bad, not bad. What the? Dude, this is coming off. It's coming apart. My boy needs to fix that. Yellow fog. So I really thought about doing yellow like fogs. They're not even fogs, they're DRLs. I really thought about doing that, but yeah. My boy's missing a side marker here. Oh shit. Not bad. I really like this color. This color looks really good too. Yeah, I just love GTRs, man. So good. He has a carbon badges too that I gotta do. One day, one day. Good little meat, you know. Okay. I saw some cops, I'm not gonna gun it. Alright, so good little meet and good turnout. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Something happened to this car. That's not good. Couldn't really feel much because one, it's dark, and two, so much music is being blasted. It's crazy. Like, oh god, why are you that guy at a car meet with speakers on a... Oh, brother. It's so cringe. You're lying. It's wow. All right. I'm gonna take a different way back. That way also looks closed too. All right, I'll take the long way back, I guess. I don't know. Ah, yeah. Come on, man. Why you gotta close the roads? What? Whatever. I'll enjoy the drive back. 3, 2, 1, go. Oh my god. It's a nice night for a drive, so that's fine. I'll let it be, but you know. Thank you for watching, guys. I appreciate it, honestly. I'll catch you in the next one. Drive safe. Peace out, y'all.